At hello, my friend. How you are? This is my friend from India. Kiधर है भाई? Name Natish.
How come Nitish?
Nitish. Oh, sorry, my friend.
Yeah.
This one, icon 2. Yeah. No, why like that?
You coming
Stop.
India?
Put this one, check.
Yeah,
This one, our building. Very good.
And
All free.
You coming India?
I coming India.
What time?
Maybe next year.
Next year?
Yeah,
Really?
really.
You come my home?
Yeah, really. You enjoy. I'm enjoy there.
Where?
Okay, in
But-
India.
Today salary coming? No coming?
Salary coming today.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Where you go?
Yeah. No, I'm sleeping. I go.
No enjoy, no.
No, yesterday enjoy only two bottle of Coca-Cola kalas.
Only 2 bottles Coca-Cola?
Yeah.
No have beer?